Hello and welcome my friends to my YouTube channel, philippospan. Weekly tips and tricks on how to work with Microsoft Office applications. Today's video will be about Microsoft Word.
How to use the Dictate feature in a Microsoft Word document. By using the Dictation feature in Microsoft Office applications, we use the speech-to-text feature to dictate the text instead of typing our documents the old-fashioned way. We can quickly and easily create drafts, outlines, notes, or to just even type in our thoughts. First, we must make sure that the Home tab of the ribbon is selected, and then locate the area of the ribbon from the right named Voice. Once located, we notice the command Dictate. If we hover over the Dictate command, we are notified with the following: Office Dictation, powered by Microsoft Speech Services. Once we press the Dictate command, at the bottom of our screen, in this case Microsoft Word document, the Dictation feature will be enabled listening. All that is left to do is to start dictating. This is an example of how the Dictation feature works in a Microsoft Word document. If we select the setting buttons on the Dictation pane, we can do the following: enable auto-punctuation. We can switch it on or off if it is available for the language that we have chosen. Filter sensitive phrases. We can cover potentially sensitive phrases with beep, 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 beep. Spoken languages. We can view and change languages. Once we select this command, at the right the shortcut menu appears with all the available languages we can select and use for the Dictation feature. By using this feature, the service does not store our audio data or transcribe text. Our speech utterances will be sent to Microsoft and used only to provide you with text results. Once we have finished dictating our text, we just press the Dictation command again for the process to stop. Hands-free, time-saving, and effortless feature.
Thank you for watching. If you liked what you saw in this video, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any questions or suggestions, head down to the comment section and let me know.